The treatment towards the high value mate is not the same directed towards a low value mate. A man partner to a woman of lower mate value may be able to replace his partner more easily and therefore may be more willing to risk losing her by engaging in high risk, cost inflicting mate retention behaviors. So it's almost like they create the chaos, they create the conflict to get out of the relationship. And again, you still can be a high value person based upon your self perception, but maybe they still perceive you as a lower mate value, in contrast to a person that they are actually interested in pursuing. Some sort of alternative, right? And then we remember that replacement is something that we talked about in the previous videos. I think it's the one, reason number 2, already committed, on the rebound. So if you can go back and look at that oftentimes we try to make ourselves irreplaceable. But as I have noted in one of those audios, that sometimes it might be better for you to be replaceable, because if you can be replaceable, then you can save your mind. You can save your heart. You don't have to end up having to check into a rehab facility or a mental health facility or check into jail. So sometimes it may be better for you to pull yourself out of something, especially when it is not working and it is more dangerous for you to stay. For men, the deficiencies a lower value mate bring outweigh the desire to keep the partner and contribute also to cost-inflicted behaviors. So with every hit that a man gives a woman, they are basically saying they don't want to be in that relationship, because we've never looked at it like that, because they keep coming back with flowers, they keep coming back with I'm sorry's, they keep coming back with people talking to you, they keep pulling at you emotionally, they keep coming back with sex. And so then the sex becomes almost like a tranquilizer or something like that to numb you in that area. But every time he cheats or she cheats or he hits or he does anything that reduces your self-esteem and affect your psychology, they are basically saying that they don't want to be in the relationship, but they don't have anywhere else to go yet. So in order for them to stay in the relationship, they're going to have to keep hitting you, they're going to have to keep cheating on you, they're going to have to keep lying to you, they're going to have to do everything they can to make life convenient for them, even if it is inconvenient for you.